Hey all, today we are in Thatcham. Twice a year there is a little car show, classic car show, and yeah, you get a bit of everything here. This is a friend of mine's, lovely little Audi. Some of these you will have seen before. If you've seen on the other videos, we've had these before. This one's a favourite, it's here every year. But I'm sure there will be some things that we've not seen in previous years. That's a lovely car. Saw one of these. One of my neighbours had one of these. I love the styling of them. Oh wow, that's lovely inside. So I'm not sure if it's true, but I seem to recall that the Calibra was built on the Cavalier body, but I'm not sure. Look at this.
Put it down there.
A little tuk-tuk. Little tuk-tuk. Well, I love the detail in that. That's got a lot of love put into it. I like that a lot. I think that's going to be my fave of the day now. Yes, it is. Wow. Oh look, inside this one as well. Angry is a nice car. Very honest car. Love the grills on these, the front end. MGF. That looks like one of those 4D number plates. This was here last year. Recognise that. Got the GX. Wow, this is different because it's not a camper van as such as in your VW types. It's love the graphics on it. Look at that in the door. Oh wow. That's very cool. That's very cool. Love this. Where is my wife? I want one of these now. Jeez. Oh, I quite enjoyed looking around that van. That van is lovely. Got a Camaro. Oh, a little scimitar driving in at the back there, I think. Oh, look at the detail on here. That's very nice, isn't it? Love the paint colour on that. I don't know if it'll come out, but it's lovely. I've always wanted one of these, mainly because of the ZZ Top videos. I've always been a fan. Another Camaro. Proper engines in these things, proper sounds, beautiful things, in lovely condition. Firebird. This one's up for sale for 25k. Very nice looking car. Lovely little Austin van. Light up, little pickup van. Nice, isn't it? Beautiful. More big V8-ness. And you will remember this from previous shows with the flamingos on the front of it. Rather nice. F100 Ford pickup. And then a row of Ford Capris of various different types. Don't know about you, but I always like the 2.8 and the 280, but instead of that, why not have this, which is 4.8 I think, or 4.3. Wow. Jeez. Wow. Wow. This is quite incredible. Yes, I was right. 4.8. I did get it right. Good. 4.8. Wow. Just wanted to go back to this for a minute, and I was talking to the owner about it. He built this himself with the 4.8. It's actually out of, I think he said Land Rover, Range Rover, I can't remember. What an incredible car. What an incredible car. And to do that yourself as well. Just look at it. You just don't matter where you look. Apparently, cruising on the motorway, you can get 35 to a gallon out of it, and put your foot down, it's 9. But do you know what, folks? I think for me, what makes me fall in love with Ford again, I must walk away, because I really fancy a Capri one day. Something like that would really float my boat. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Best one I've ever seen. So that's another Capri. This is back to the 2.8 injection. And this, you probably know, is Porsche Boxster that I purchased. We'll come back to that in a minute. A couple of MGs. go to for starting in classic cars, and I've not had one of these. I'm tempted to try them as a little play. Oh, liking the Jeep. Bit bondage play on the front there. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? Love that inside. Wow. And then next to us, oh, look at that. Wow. Do you remember these? Wow, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. Morris Marina, I think, isn't it? I had a saloon one of these back in the day, and the reverse gear didn't work, and whenever you wanted to go backwards you would push it. Wasn't meant to be that way, it just never worked. Gearbox was shot, but I only paid 50 quid back for the car back in the day for that. I haven't always driven Porsches and lovely cars. No. Lovely Wolseley. Do like that. Look at the twin colour on it. Beautiful. And an Austin 7. Well, I've got to say, I've got quite a few favourites here today. It's a lovely car, that. And we've got a yellow Scimitar. These, another one that is on the to-do list. Wow. What I liked about these is the styling of them. That's what grasps me. Another MG. Got Audi Quattro V6 3.2 GT. Like the Porsche's convertible with the roof down. A Jag. And then of course you will have seen this before. Belongs to one of our friends in our car group. It is the one of one in the UK. You've never seen one of these. We call it the Peugeot Hogger. Fantastically rare. Have a look at channel 205 on YouTube if you want to learn about this. It's got an incredible story behind it. And it's not a kit someone's built. It does actually exist in the world, but I'll let you go and look at his channel to learn about it. And this must be the most immaculate Volvo estate of the era I've ever seen. Lovely colour on it. I wonder if it's ever been resprayed. It's gorgeous. It's the quickie one. Lovely alloys. A lovely car. This you wouldn't believe. It's done over 200,000 miles. And yet, sat in it today, and I must admit, I really need one as a daily, because my new daily, that, and I don't mean the wife, is a bit high on the old fuel bills, although the wife is too, but don't tell her I said that. Now, wasn't it Bobby Ewing who had one of these back in the day in Dallas? Red one. do like those. It's an unusual one for you. Look at that for colour. Two tones really work on cars and vehicles, don't they? Oh, look at that dashboard. Hope you can see that. And then finally we have another Jag XJR Sport. Lovely. And that, I'm afraid, is all that's here. But I'm going to take you back to what I came in today, because I've not done a proper video on this, and I will get round to it. But I purchased this recently. It's only a week ago. 3.2 Boxer S. What do you think? Looks rather nice, doesn't she? There'll be more coming on this car soon. Let me know what you think of Boxsters. The height is real, by the way, folks. I didn't believe it, but they are wonderful little cars. Absolute lovely little rocket ships. If you want something to enjoy the sunny weather in, take out at the weekend, this is your car. Not so good as a daily in my opinion, but that's just me. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. But I'm going to leave you with this, because I think out of everything here, between the Chevy van, which was over there, this, and the many other cars that are here, that one just wins for me a bit. It's had so much love and effort put in by the owner. Love it, absolutely love it. Anyway, let me know what your favourite was. Thanks for watching. More soon.